Most people fail to sell AppLovin accounts because they try to convince instead of building trust. In this video, I'll show you a simple client conversation flow that consistently turns interest into payment. Step 1. The client expresses doubt. That's normal. Smart buyers always do. I don't push. I acknowledge and offer verification. Step 2. Proof. Real dashboard. Real-time validation. No claims. Step 3. Control. The client gets full ownership. Email, password, everything. That's where trust is built, when there is zero pressure and zero risk from their side. When you remove pressure, you remove resistance. And when there is no resistance, the client moves forward naturally. I provide two options: new accounts, affordable, but takes time; aged accounts, higher cost, instant access. Serious buyers choose speed. Payment is handled through crypto with transaction verification. Clear, secure, transparent. This is a sample flow I use to close deals. If you're looking for ready AppLovin accounts or a reliable supplier, check the Telegram link in the description. Don't chase clients. Build trust and let them come to you.